Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display badges on taskbar buttons on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the personalization tile and then select Taskbar on the left side underneath personalization near the bottom. On the right side, there should be something that says Show Badges on Taskbar Buttons. Click inside that oval to toggle to the right to enable that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.